Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 20, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. So I'm going to quickly lock the device so you can see I do have a pattern set. Just quickly move it so there we go. So there we go, there's my pattern, and let's assume that I don't know it. So to get started, we're going to hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. Which will boot us into the boot mode. So in here, using volume keys, you want to select recovery mode, which will be visible right here. There we go, and then press power key, confirm it. And once you see the Android with no command, hold power key and press volume up once, and this will boot us into the recovery mode. Now in here, using again volume keys to navigate, you want to scroll down in order to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it again with power key, select factory data reset. It will give you message formatting data, and then data wipe complete should be a next thing at the bottom. Come on. Oh, there we go. As you can see, they were complete, and reboot system now is selected by default, so press power key once more and this will initiate the reboot of the device. Now this will take a little bit longer than normally for the device to turn back on, but honestly the reset of this device right here is super quick, so it should be below a minute. So I'm just gonna let it run and let's wait for the setup screen to show up on the screen. And as you can see, it is now complete. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.